Hi, in the previous lecture we've added our two views, one for post list and one for post detail. And in this lecture we will connect these two views to our templates. So let's start. First, make sure you've activated your virtual environment and your server is running well. Then, now we have our detail view which works with the ID, and we did this because we need to learn how could we retrieve with ID and how could we retrieve with slug. We used slug with our meals app, so in the blog app we will use the ID. Okay. And we have our list view. Okay, now let's take those two pages, blog single and blog, copy. Then let's go to our code. We have our blog, we have our templates folder, we have our post folder, and now let's paste those two files. Okay, and now let's rename our blog to a post list, and let's rename our blog single to post detail. Yeah, just like this. Okay, and now if we refresh our page we will see the new page, but if we inspect this page we will see many errors in the console. This is because we did not connect the static files to this page, but we will inherit the navbar and the footer and those static files from our base file. So let's do this. First, let's open our post list. This is our front end. Okay, so we will move down, and this is the blog grid. Yeah, this is the blog. Okay, so we will, this is the blog grid. Let's open the base, our base template. So we will see our base, blog menu. We have the site header. So for that are best for your overall health. Let's open this grid. This is the first one. Okay, so we need this is the header. Okay, so we will remove all above the header just like this, and we will see extend base.html. Okay, then we will see, we will put our block with name of body, with the main block as block body. Okay, and here we will take this, the end block, and we will move down to the footer. Yeah, this is the footer. So we will delete all of this and we will put our end block. Now let's refresh our page. We have our posts, but now we need to connect the blog image. This is the first thing, then we will connect our posts. Okay, so here let's move down, let's go to this is the URL. We need to connect this like the first one. So let's open, let's say meals list, meals, templates, meals, list, and let's take this copy and put it here in the post list. Wait. So yeah, just like this. Hit save, and we need to load static. Yeah, I was about to forget this. Static. Yeah. Now let's refresh our page, and we have our background image. Okay, this is awesome. Now we need to add this to our post detail. So we will move down to the end of the header, and we will remove this. Okay, first we will extend base.html, then we will load static. Okay, then we need to remove the background image to this, and we need to add our block body. Yeah, let's take this. We need to move down to the footer, and we will delete all of this. Let's save this. Okay, now we have our list view for our post, and if we move to 1, we will see the single post page. Okay, now we need to loop over our posts and our template. So this is our post list, this is the post grid. Okay, and here we have the section, this is the container, this is the row, and this is the column. So this is our grid system. Okay, so now we need to remove all of this and keep only one, so that we can loop over this div. So here we will say for, and we will take this and for to here. Okay, and our view return a post list object, so we need to loop over this object. So I'll say for post, for every post in this post list, we will do this. Okay, so let's refresh our page. We will see only one post, this post. Okay, we need to change the title, the image, and so on. So let's open this div, and this is the title. So we will see post, and if we refresh our page, we will see new way for cooking food. This is our post, new way for cooking food. Okay, so now we need to add our post content, post dot content. Okay, we need to add our post image, so we'll say post dot. Did we add an image to this post? We did not add an image to our post. Okay, so we will add it right now. So post image.url. Okay, and we need to add our URL. So we will say URL, first of all blog underscore blog or post underscore list, and this detail or this detail URL, the post detail, not this one, needs a parameter from us, the ID. So we need to say post.id. Here let's refresh our page. We've got an error, reverse for post list with arguments not found. Yeah, sorry, this is post detail. Let's refresh our page. We have our view. If you open this post, yeah, we did not add read more with. This is our post detail. Okay, we need to add this link also, the read more here to this button. Yeah, just like this. And we need to add an image, so we will say image equal to models.image field, and this image field takes upload to parameter, and let's say block. Yeah, just like this, and this takes blank and not equal true. Okay, and now let's say make migration, because we've changed something in the models, and then let's create a migrate. Let's hit run server, and let's add an image to this post. We have an image field, image, so we need to add a new image for this field. Let's get a new image, cooking, and let's get this image. Okay, sticky. Let's this is our image, and let's hit save. Now our image has been uploaded to our media files. So if we open our media folder, we will see a blog and we will see meals. If we open blog, we will see our image. Okay. So now, if we refresh our list page, we should see, yeah, this is the image, the blog post image. Everything is working fine. Now we need, and if we press read more, we could see the single post page. Okay. Now we need to add the date, our date. So here on the post list, we will see, let's remove this. We will say post date. Let's see the models created. So we'll say post dot created. Okay. So let's refresh. We have the date. Okay. Now let's open this. This is the detail view for our post. So now we need to replace all of this with our detail view and with our categories and so on. And we will do this on the next lecture. See you in the next one.